Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Missy and welcome to Bargain Beauty Deals. If you're part of the family, thank you for coming back and I've missed you. Okay, so now we're going to do Allure Beauty Box. I thought I had uploaded my April box because I did just get that last week, but then it still says it's in the processing, and I've uploaded 2 videos since then, so okay. So let's hop on into it. If you are not aware, Allure is a $15 a month beauty subscription where you receive 5 to 6 I got a baby down here, 5 to 6 not sample, but deluxe sample size products, occasionally full size, and they're of luxury items. So I really like Allure. They're one of my favorites. So even despite the problems I've had with them, I really enjoy them. If you do want to see the Allure video, I will try to upload it. Let me know down below. And so let's just hop right in. You open it up and it looks like this. They do have this. It explains what everything is. And there's something outside. And again, we always typically get this. Is the HelloFresh gift card for $20 off your first 3 boxes. If you are interested, there is the code for HelloFresh. So this is what everything looks like, and I'm going to start with the product outside of the box. And that is, it's not it. Okay, this is the Larissa Cosmetics Lip Gloss in Vibe. This is pale pinkish nude lip gloss, has a 60s pinkish nude lip gloss. What has this doesn't look pink, it looks nude. Are you what? This is not a pink at all. This is there's no pink to this, but it smells amazing, and I'm going to put it. It kind of smells like chocolate coffee smell. If you know what I mean by that, leave a comment down below. I like it. I'll wear this, and this is a $20 value, and it is a full-size product. It is thick. Okay, so this bag is like neon orange, kind of like the crossing guards have to wear, like that neon, that material. That's kind of like what it is, and it's a little different because it does not have snaps. It actually has fold-ins, which I might kind of prefer. I really like this. I would probably use this for a handbag, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm just gonna reach to the thing right on top. Oh man, I'm pissed. This is a Saint-Tropez Self-Tan Purity Bronzing Water Face Mist. I really wanted the self-tanner. If you got the self-tanner and you're not going to use it, let me know and maybe we can do a little swap. I might have some things you're interested in. So I really wanted that, and I was actually counting on getting that. So that's not a happy mark in my book for Allure. Let's read about this thing. This facial tanner goes on clear in a superfine mist that hydrates my dry skin. I used 5 spritz across my face, neck, and upper chest before bed. Didn't feel the need to blend and was thrilled with the noticeable but believable tan I woke up to. I've also used it under makeup, which wore well on top all day. This is a $35 value. It doesn't say the size. I'm not happy about this. I'm not. That sucks. So again, let me know down below if you did get the self-tanner and the mint and you are not going to use it, because I would love, I mean, I have a bunch of products, so we can be in touch and I can maybe mail you something in exchange for it. I don't know. Let me know. Next, we have the Youth Revolution Okay, where is it? Okay. The Youth Revolution Makeup Revolution Mask. Eureka! Hydrating mask that doesn't smell like anything. I can wear it overnight, focus on D's, and have brighter skin by morning. This is a $200 value for the full size. Wow. Wow. Okay, and this is 0.2 fluid ounces, so 8 milliliters. I don't want to open it, but I'm going to. This is a crazy container too. And it is cram-packed. It's in the lid even. And it just smells like really, really, really expensive skincare. That's what it smells like. It smells like a rich lady. And I can smell like a rich lady. Wow. Oh, that's insane. So I'm glad I got that. If I didn't get the self-tanner, then well, at least I got that. And I guess, I mean, I can tan my face. My face is very white. I have a hard time getting a tan face. I don't know why. This is the Model Co. Eye Lights. Another... This says, this bronzy shampoo cream shadow dries. This is a sample size. I'm guessing. Dries fast and doesn't crease or rub off. It's doe foot apricot. I don't care about that. This is a $12 value. You guys am so sick of getting these liquid. This one's actually a little different. This is Patchy A's. Ick. I'm trying to get it on there where it's not patched. It's not coming out either. Yeah, it's like kind of seems dry. So let's put it on there. It's pretty thick. We're gonna see if it dries quick. But it's a pretty color. It is pretty. So we're going to see. You can also blend out. It says it's amount rich colors across color. Okay, so the perfect amount of rich color across your lids for a cool metallic effect. But you can also blend the edges out into a glittering haze. I like pairing it with a thick line of black liquid eyeliner. The combo makes me feel very Bella de Jour. And every time I wear it, my lids look as fresh. Who writes these? My lids look as fresh hours after applying as they did when I recapped the tube. I don't know. I feel like how they write stuff is just weird. And this is 1.9 grams or 0.06 fluid ounces. What's this? Okay, this is the Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream. And this is a $35 value. And it's a moisture cream. It's just a moisturizer. This cream is a great balance between light and effectively moisturizing. It doesn't feel heavy, but thoroughly plumps the skin with ceramides and sodium hyaluronate. I can't say it. I'm not even trying to. Using it in the morning under sunscreen and makeup, at night before bed, flooded my dehydrated skin. That's awesome. I have dehydrated skin. Like I just put on today, I just did some concealer with a little Bare Minerals powders because I used to only wear Bare Minerals, and it clung to the dry skin on my face so bad. Oh my gosh, you guys, there's been drama around this product. I'm actually really excited. This is Allure by Jean Co. Erase Cleansing Exfoliating Brightening Powder. Look, I have seen people who were full like to here. Look at how full mine is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Now I see why people are so upset because mine's full all the way to here. Like, maybe it settles down and compresses. I don't know, but because if I shake it up, it's even fuller. I mean, I don't know. This is combined this loose powder exfoliator made with milk powder and oats with water. Apply, wait a minute, massage it away. And it unclogs pores and renders skin as soft as a baby in tiny velour tracksuit. I am excited for this. I have never used something like this before. Ew, it smells like powdered milk and oats. That is such a weird product. Have you used something like this before? If so, how did you like it? Did you get this? And if you got this, how full was yours? Because mine's, you guys, mine's literally to right here. Oh, I'm shook. I'm shook by how little some people got. So I really think this is a great box. I got 2 full-size products, right? I got this Louis by Joncio and the Larissa Lippy. And then these little things right here are, I got a face self tanning mist, Youth Revolution Radiance Cream Mask, a water bank, a Laneige, I don't know, water moisturizer, a moisturizing eye topper. Okay, it's dry. This is what it's completely dry. It did dry really quick, but I'm gonna be, and it's there. There's the lippy, it's still sticky. Ugh. But it's cracking though. When I move my hand, it's cracking. Can you see that? Look at. Oh, so how's that gonna look on your eye? But it's, I don't know. We'll see. So let me know if you liked yours. If you got the self tanner and the mint and you do not want it and you are interested of getting rid of it or possibly trading for some makeup or skincare items, I have a full box of lots of makeup that I'd be happy to trade you for it. So let me know down below in the comments. I love you all so much. If you're not yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe, leave this video a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload, because Lord knows I'm not as consistent as I want to be, but I try to upload 3 times a week or every other day. I will see you guys all later.